This is the OnePlus 10T 5G, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the Google Play Store app and make sure that your device is connected to the network, should it be the Wi-Fi or cellular network. Next, at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, either click on this green install button or open the dedicated application page and, well, click the same button over here. Once the Opera browser gets downloaded and installed, you're gonna simply launch it, and while opening the Opera for the first time, that is required that you undergo a very simple and easy setup procedure. So in here, click on this blue continue button, then choose whether you want for the ad blocker to be active or not. I'll enable ad blocking. The same goes for the checker blocking, but I'll skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Then finally, there is this page that allows you to either customize the permissions and access and data access in particular that you would like to grant to Opera, or you can also allow everything that it needs and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.